Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at the new brand of knife which is known as the QSP. For many of us, we have never heard of the brand of knife called QSP before. This is because the QSP is a very new brand for knife. So in this video, we are going to take a look at the overview of the QSP brand and what are the knives they have to offer and how is the finishing and the opening mechanism of the knife. The model that I'm holding right now is called the QSP Phoenix. The blade steel is the D2 blade steel and it can open silky smooth. It is because for this model, they come with a ball bearing opening mechanism inside. Next, we'll take a look at another model named QSP Deva. This, as you can see here, you can see there's two different type of color of G10 as a handle. Just look at the finishing. It comes with a deep pocket carry clip. Also, you can see that this is a flipper. Again, the steel is made from D2 and it is titanium coated. It also comes with a window breaker here. Could be useful in a rescue situation. And then the QSP Pangolin, also from D2. Silky smooth opening thanks to the ball bearing. I really have to say, the fit and finish of this brand is really good, especially for the opening mechanism, you see. Sorry, one more time. You see, it is silky smooth. Oh, I will feel really happy every time I open them. Oh, you see. Oh, wow. This is the QSP Pangolin. And the pocket clip is not reversible. Tip up carry. Yeah. Oh. And then we'll have this QSP Shark. Ball bearing again. Yeah. I wonder why it is named Shark. Perhaps it is because of the blade shape that look like a shark. But look how it fits my hand. Okay, I like this blade shape. The steel is in 440C. It has the back spacer that also double as a lanyard hole. Oh, and it comes in different color. It also comes in the OD green handle, which has the black stonewash finish on the blade. Also, it also comes with a black version with the blue back spacer that also acts as a lanyard hole. That comes in titanium coated blade. Put it aside and let me demonstrate the flipping mechanism for you again because it feels so good. Yeah. 1, 2, and 3. Take note they are not spring loaded. And then we also have this called the QSP Stinia. Oh, let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, I've rearranged my decoration so that I can have more space to work with this. Okay, so now we have this model called the QSP Stinia. Okay, if that is how you read it. Okay, it comes with a backspacer also, flipper style. Okay, silky smooth. And among all the QSP, I think this is the heaviest, because it is not skeletonized. So if you are looking for something beefy, this is it. And the black color one. Okay, this is the coated version, the black coated version on the blade. Okay, the black coated version. And then also this one, this is the black stone wash version. I wonder if you can see it. It is different from the previous one. Let me bring that closer for you to have a look. Okay, here you have the black coated, and here you have the black stone wash. Another key difference of this QSP Stinia from the other just now is that the handle, as you can see, it makes you feel, it feels more organic. It feels more organic. It is like, it is ergonomic, but it is, it feels organic. That is how I would put it. Okay, it feels organic and solid, and it certainly gives you a very, very solid feel. Lastly, we have the more innocent looking QSP Parrot. It comes in two colors, and it is not ball bearing. It is a bronze washer. Okay, it is a bronze washer. They open smoothly with a thumb stud. See? With a thumb stud. So, in conclusion, what is my opinion on this knife? I'm really happy that a company can produce such a quality blade at such low price point. Of all the QSP folder, this will be my favorite, and this is mine now, and I'll test it for you to see. Yeah, let's see how well the D2 perform. Okay, I know by slicing paper it does not prove much, but I will not abuse this thing, because this is mine now, because I like it so much. So anyway, let us know in the comment which QSP you wish to see us to make an in-depth review, or maybe even test it. Just let us know in the comment, and as always, thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day. With some practice, you can open it quickly also, like this. Sorry, let's do it again.